friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare minced potato chops using cornflakes coating, which will give you a nice crunchy and crispy texture. So let's go and start it. To start off with, I'm using 200 grams of chicken mince. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and salt as per taste. Now let's mix this well together and leave it aside for 20 minutes for well marination. In a pan, use 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add 2 chopped onions. Saute this well on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onion changes its color, add 1 medium tomato. Saute on a medium flame until tomatoes are done. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Let's add the chicken mince. Add 1/4 cup of water. Add salt as per taste. Finally, add chopped coriander and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Our chopped stuffing is ready now. Let's leave this aside to cool down and start preparing the potato mash. Here I've got 5 boiled potatoes, and with the help of a masher, I'm going to mash it. So now this is nicely mashed. Now to this mashed potato, I'm using some crushed pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Salt to taste. Mix this well. Our mashed potato is ready now. Now let's go and prepare the chops. So friends, most of the time we always use semolina or breadcrumbs to prepare the chops. So today I decided to make something different by using cornflakes. For that, take some cornflakes as per required. With the help of a stone muddler, let's crush it. Do not use mixer because the cornflakes might turn into powder. So this is how it's going to be. We are all set to do the potato chops now. Take a small portion of the potato mash, roll it, and just tap it on your hand. Let's place the stuffing. Let's cover it. And give a round shape. Let's brush this with an egg both the sides. Dip it into the cornflakes coating. So this is how it's going to be. You can prepare how much ever you want and then fry it at the end. Our potato chops are ready now. Now let's go and fry it. Add some oil in the frying pan. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to fry the chops both the sides to get the perfect result. Make sure you fry this on a medium flame. Our chops are ready now. So friends, if you like my recipe, then show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all.